Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Adam with New Image Dent Repair. I just picked up the Dent dent removable tool. Today I'll be doing a quick demonstration of the proper way to use this tool. Alright, so here's the unboxing of it. You have a do-it-yourself dent and ding repair kit, Dent. Comes with the dent puller, a knockdown tool, some glue sticks, a glue gun, and a couple of tabs, I guess, where you put in the glue puller. It says it's simple to use, 3 easy steps, removes dents from hail, car doors, shopping carts, and more without damaging the surface of your car, saving you time and money, an alternative to costly dent professionals. Alright, so I've unboxed this thing. We got a glue gun with a couple of glue sticks here. Comes with a knockdown tool. This is the lifter. You would put glue on the end of one of these, just simply stick it to the dent, and then lift up with this guy here. Seems simple enough. We're going to give it a whirl. I'm going to show you the right way to use this thing and remove your very own car dents.